Hello everyone. Welcome to the preparation for the FINRA Series 22 examination. Now before you start sweating, let's talk about this examination. The Series 22 is the Direct Participation Programs Limited representative license, and it allows you to sell the things like oil and gas ventures and the real estate syndications and the equipment leasing. Okay, so it's the cool kids table of the investment world because these products are not traded on exchange. They are private, they are messy, and they have more tax perks than a billionaire's vacation home. Okay, so it has 50 questions and you have 90 minutes, and today we are going to make sure you don't just pass but you walk in there with a confidence. Okay, so let's look at the screen. We have got a question that looks very difficult, but we will handle this in this particular session. Okay, so let's read the question first. In a DPP syndication, the dealer manager coordinates due diligence and allocates participation to other broker dealers. Which role best describes these activities? Option number A says dealer manager, option number B says finder, option number C says wholesaler, and option number D says issuer managed sponsor. Okay, so let's have the correct answer for this question. Okay, now look at option number A. The question literally says the dealer manager coordinates and then ask what role describes that. Now using the dealer manager to describe a dealer manager is like saying a banana is something that is a banana, right? So FINRA is tricky, but they are not that lazy. Okay, so the correct answer is our option number C, that is wholesaler. Now in the world of DPPs, the wholesaler is the matchmaker. Think of them as the person at the party who knows everyone. Okay, and they represent the sponsor. Okay, sponsor is who? The person putting the deal together, and they handle the boring due diligence and they recruit the other broker dealers to help sell the units. Okay, so imagine DPP is a rock concert. Okay, so first we are talking about is the sponsor. So on that concert, the sponsor is the lead singer, you can say. So this is the GP, general partner. They have the idea, like I want to dig a hole in Texas, and they have the talent but no money. Okay, second is the wholesaler. So this is our answer for this question. The wholesaler does not sing. They coordinate the venues and make sure the security is tight like due diligence and find the opening acts like the other broker dealers to fill the seats. Okay. Number 3 is the syndicate members. So these are the other broker dealers who usually sell the tickets to the public. Okay. Now why not option B or D? Now finder is just a guy with a Rolodex who says, hey, meet this guy, and they usually are not registered and can't do due diligence. Okay, and if I talk about the issuer managed sponsor, so this is just the sponsor acting as their own boss. Okay, so it does not describe the activity of the allocating participation to others. Now why does the wholesaler have to coordinate due diligence? Because in the DPPs, if the deal goes like south because the sponsor was actually buying the lottery tickets with the investors' money instead of drilling for oil, everyone gets sued. Okay, and the wholesaler's job is to check the sponsor's homework. They look at the track record, like did their last 5 wells produced oil or just salt water, and the conflict of interest, is the sponsor hiring his brother-in-law for 10x the market rate or not, and the tax legality, like will the IRS come knocking. Okay, so under the FINRA rule 2310, a member cannot participate in a DPP unless they have reasonable grounds to believe all material facts are adequately disclosed, and the wholesaler is the one holding the flashlight in the dark basement of these deals. Okay, so when you see the the dealer manager or the allocating participation and the due diligence in some sentence, your brain should scream the wholesaler. Okay, now if you see a question about the compensation, remember that the total organization is offering the expenses for a DPP are capped at 15% of the gross proceeds. Okay, so but the part that goes to the broker dealer is capped at 10%. Okay, so remember 15% is for the whole party and 10% for the guy selling the tickets. Okay, so study your suitability rules. Okay, and you will see the next session with a new question of the FINRA Series 22. Till then, bye bye.